Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to Laid by London. Today we're going to do a 26-inch curly lace front wig install. This was a first time client, which I absolutely adored. She came in, she had tons of hair. We braided her hair down, and I'm just laying down her edges, just like her little baby hairs and things around the hairline, to slick it down with the bald cap method. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. I'm adding the nude cap now, and then I'm going to sew it down and adhere it with the got to be. So now I'm just cutting off the excess cap. I will say just be very careful not to nip your client. I make sure to use just the tip of my shears, and just take your time and be very careful, because you definitely do not want to cut your client. That's a big no-no. Now I'm just fitting her wig just to see where it falls on her face, kind of make any adjustments if need be before I cut the lace and do any additional plucking. Okay, and here I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Cream Contour Palette, and I'm using that bottom row, the shade on the far left and the one in the middle, mixing it together to get a shade that's close to her complexion, or as close as possible. I actually like to go a little darker when it comes to the makeup underneath the lace. It's hard to explain, but to me it gives it a better melt. But each stylist is different, and so I'm just doing that. And then once I apply it from ear to ear on her bald cap, just taking some alcohol, getting the makeup off of her skin so that the lace can adhere when I lay it down. And then I'm taking my hot comb just to get any flyaways and baby hairs out of the way. For my first layer of adhesive, I like to use the Walker tape. It is pretty messy, so that's a disclaimer. I will say it is messy, baby, very messy, but great in terms of the hold. I feel like it allows my clients to have that additional hold whenever they're wearing their frontals. So once I apply an even coat of that, then I go in with my tried and true Ghost Bond and do 2 coats of that. And I like the platinum one better than any of the other ones. here's a quick little pro tip. I like to add a little bit of makeup inside of the unit. I don't like to do too much because you don't want it cakey. You do not want your unit looking cakey once you lay it down. Just a light little layer of makeup on the inside of the unit since you already have some on the cap. And then once you do that, apply that last thin coat of Ghost Bond. Make sure it dries completely clear. And sweetheart, once you lay that lace down, it is going to melt. You want to make sure your blow dryer is on medium-high heat. You definitely want it warm so that the adhesive can soften and allow that lace to just lay into it. And don't be afraid to press into the lace at the same time that you're blow drying it. And so I'm just going to go in and cut the excess lace, tie my client's hair up, put her under the dryer for a little bit, and then you guys will see the results. This just calls for a level of recognition, okay? Do y'all not see the wizardry that's going on right now? Like, that lace is coming out of her scalp. It looks so natural and just so melted and so laid, baby. Laid by London, honey. Y'all ignore me, okay? I'm really goofy. Enjoy the video. So my client requested some light baby hairs. I went in and did a few and then just took the tweezers and plucked wherever I needed to pluck, because you definitely don't want your baby hairs too thick or too long. She's so cute. So she couldn't decide which way she wanted to wear like her part or what side she wanted her hair to go. And we kind of played around with both sides and decided to wear it on this side that I'm showing you now. I'm just wetting down her hair with some water and foam wrap, and that's just going to define her curls and bring the texture out a lot more. And this is the finished result. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget to check my description box for my social media and booking information. And I'll see you guys on the next one.